Today's a very special day. We get to finally officially sort of quote unquote cut the ribbon proverbially on this new suite that will improve patient care. And it's part of my commitment to try to do as much as we can to upgrade the facilities of the hospital. And we've made tremendous progress over the last 3 years, particularly under Dr. Berger's terrific leadership. So I want to salute Dr. Berger. Thank you, Dr. Berger, all you're doing.
This is part of a total refresh of all our radiologic services. So we are in the process of upgrading our digital radiology rooms, and we've already completed a few of those. Our IR suite is certainly the crown jewel of the rehab.
Beautiful suite, and the staff is pretty much appreciative that the fact that the hospital administration was able to make this happen. So we are very grateful. Thank you very much.
We're capable now of doing things that range from complex aneurysm repair in every part of the body to arterial-based therapies for cancers, all sorts of spine intervention. We're able to perform procedures with 3D road mapping and as well as CT cone beam, both of which were not available to us before. And so we're certainly able to really increase the depth and breadth of what we're able to provide to the patient population here locally in Brooklyn.
You know, this is why we get up every morning to do what we do, is to make a difference in our patients' lives. And by this new facility, it's a tangible, visual, real proof that we are working every day to improve what we do. So congratulations to the team, Dr. Ria. Thank you so much for your leadership on this too. I know this is an excellent way to begin 2024.